gonna stew it a little more, and I'm gonna take the meat off the bone. Look how it looks good. Yummy, 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 yummy. Herbs. Okay, I got some good rice cooking. Yum, yum. Okay, the rice is coming real good. I love this rice. I got this from one of those Mexican stores. Good rice. You can reheat this just like it and come back just like it was fresh, just as fresh. Okay, so we're gonna do some eye here. I'm gonna put on our eye mask today. I haven't done these in a bit. I got these from these are only like $2, $2.50 for three. So I know we got my early girl. So y'all make sure y'all get into so it's okay. $5. Okay, but no. So this one is. Yes. So let's see what's all in it. Oh yeah. Okay, we on for 30 minutes, so we're gonna leave that on for 30 minutes. Okay, and now we're gonna talk. While we're doing that. So you all, my dinner turned out great. Now we're gonna talk about some more beauty tips. Okay, now. You must have this exfoliating brush. Yes. Okay, now this came from Sephora. Okay, Sephora's on here. Okay, and the purpose of the exfoliating brush is that first it takes all the dead, dry skin off. Okay, so we're going to do that once we finish with that, with these eye patches, because I haven't done this in a while. You do this to, just like it says, exfoliate. You're taking off the old skin, the dead skin off, and then you'll have a new layer of skin once you finish with this. So we're going to do that this morning, because we haven't done that in a good while. And then also we're going to do some brow work. We're going to work on our eyebrows together. We're going to do that. And y'all, okay, y'all, this is y'all remember the big cosmetic bag? It has 2 pouches in here. It is by BB, of course. Y'all remember BB? Y'all remember BB a long time ago? Had that, of course, that had a very, it was nice and expensive, of course. And then we're going to do something fancy with our brows this morning, okay? I love my browns and my plums because it goes so well with my skin, okay? And let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Now, y'all know what? I like to travel a lot. And if you are like me and you like to travel, y'all make sure y'all have these travel containers, okay? So you won't have no problem traveling with your essentials. Put everything, have your traveling bottles. And what else we got here? Okay, then of course, y'all, I got my toenail, my clippers. These are the big ones. And then I have a small up here. And here's a smaller pair here. Smaller pair. Because, and I got that because sometime when if my nails get like in my way. Okay, y'all see this. Y'all know I've had this for a minute. Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair pressed powder. Okay. But I haven't worn powder in forever. I have not. And I used to wear Fashion Fair all the time. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay. This is the eyebrow gel. Y'all know what? Y'all know I get my nails done, right? And I did not know that where I get my nails done that they do the brow tinting. So I'm going to get that. I really am. Because I believe that the brow tinting is going to be a whole lot better than, the brow pencil. It sure will. So, okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to do this. It's going to pull off all that dry, dead skin. And it's not going to be much because if you're doing your skincare routines, I really hate this. Came out of nowhere, y'all. I kid you not. I know I have uneven skin tones in some areas, but that came out of nowhere. And plus, I know I'm hairy. I know that, but still. Okay. We're exfoliating. I'm going around my eyes. And this only costs like $12 in Sephora. Okay. 12. Now y'all see how my skin is getting white? Pulling off that dead skin. Even though I'm doing my skincare routines, you still have some dead skin in there. I really want to get me a doctor to work on my skin. I will eventually. But this helps a lot. I need to really do this more often because you see how I have the uneven skin tone? That will help ease the uneven skin tone and make it all blend together. Now, due to my skin being real sensitive, and so is yours. Anytime you're doing something this heavy on your skin, you either are exfoliating or you steaming your skin. Don't do nothing but that. Don't do no other skincare routine, your washes, none of that. Because your skin is now sensitive, just like a baby's bottom, okay? So, you don't want to, because you'll be stinging, okay? So, we've been just doing the exfoliating, and that's all we need to do for today. Now, maybe later on tonight, we'll do like a skincare routine. Now, this is a full skincare routine. When you're exfoliating, plus I have the facial steamer. Y'all could go back and watch one of my videos with that. And I bought that from Amazon, and it's been working Very good. No problems at all. At all. Mm-hmm. Okay. Y'all see, look, y'all see I'm looking white. Okay, now we got the eyes, the under eyes done. Now we're gonna do just a little brow work. Brow work. Hope everyone is enjoying their Tuesday so far. So we're waiting on 2 packages from Shein. So I'll be sharing that with you all. Okay, I'm loving my skin. Y'all see the difference? A little, I see it. My skin is lighter. My skin is lighter since the exfoliation. So I got to make sure I do that more often. Now I got this from Sephora. I got this from Sephora. Yeah, Sephora. Okay. So it's the comb on one end, brush on the other end. Y'all, I am so girly girl. And then we have to pick out a fragrance of the day. We're going to have to pick that out. Y'all, I am so proud. I inherited this home first by the Most High. He gave me this as an inheritance and through my grandparents. And so of course we have some work to do on it, but I'm doing, step by step home projects. I'm loving the progress. I ordered some of you saw the previous YouTube video when I did the unboxing. I did the Amazon unboxing, and within that unboxing there were acrylic wall shelves that I was putting up for to put my fragrances on in my VIP Luxe Lounge. And it is so chic. I love it. Okay, these brows look good. Make sure they're even. Make sure they're even, y'all. I don't want to be wild looking. Okay, y'all. Okay. Looking good. It's looking good. Okay. See, all you need is, we don't have to wear any makeup. We don't. We really don't. All we have to do is make sure we have a healthy diet, meaning ladies and gentlemen, get in that kitchen and cook. Put those good herbs in your food, eat your fruits and your vegetables, and drink lots of water. That's all we need. That is all we need. Okay, I'm loving these brows. Now, I love the exfoliation and the brows. I love that. What y'all think?